Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, a link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.72 trillion. We're up 2.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.7%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing mild green across the board, but as you guys can see, majority of the altcoins are not outpacing Bitcoin, which I have mentioned in my previous videos, just the last two videos that I made. Because due to the fact that Bitcoin dominance is going up and it's currently sitting at 43.7%. It's even higher than this. The CoinGecko does tend to be a little behind, but you guys get the picture. So the BTC dominance is going up. That's why we are not seeing altcoins outpace Bitcoin. Yes, there are some handful altcoins right now that are outperforming Bitcoin, but majority of the market is lagging behind Bitcoin's price. But today I want to look further into Cardano, and we'll also look at Bitcoin chart and see what exactly is going on. So let's look at Cardano, guys. Alright, my Cardano family, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, we are currently trading at $1.56. We're down 0.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're also down 3.4% in BTC comparative, which should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us because of the facts that I just have mentioned that the BTC dominance is going up. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 5th spot. Market cap is holding very, very strong around this $49.9 billion mark, and 24-hour trading volume is at $3.6 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Cardano, I always like looking at this so we get a better perspective as to what is going on and how strong Cardano is holding. So in just the last year alone, we're still up 1,870%. So please, let's not overlook this. This goes to show we're still up 1,870%. And, despite the fact that we are seeing quite a significant price drops around the markets, Cardano is holding quite well around these times. But today I wanted to share one thing with you guys, and that is how Cardano's ecosystem is growing day by day. This is compared to Ethereum versus Cardano. And if you guys look, obviously Ethereum has been in the space for way longer than Cardano's existence, but you guys can see how fast Cardano's ecosystem is growing. You guys know, I believe Cardano will overtake Ethereum, but this does not mean, I always say this to you guys, this does not mean Ethereum is going anywhere. Ethereum will stay, but obviously there is always a risk for projects that, new mover advantage, and Cardano is one of the new mover advantage, and that is possessing a lot of threat towards Ethereum, because you guys know Ethereum has its own scalability issues, and just tech wise, guys, it's just, Cardano is way more superior when we do compare tech, tech to tech. But you guys can see how fast the ecosystem is growing, and it's only going to get bigger as time goes by. So I wanted to share this with you guys because I did find this very, very interesting. So shout out to the person that posted this on Reddit. I appreciate it. So now let's deep dive into Cardano charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, if you guys watched my Cardano video just yesterday, just this video right here that I posted, and I was talking about, because we were around the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and I did say, you guys can go watch this video, I did say $40,000 is my price for Bitcoin, where I would basically get the confirmation that yes, we are headed towards the upside. And that's exactly what happened for Bitcoin's price. As you guys can see, we broke above $40,000 and we went all the way up to $41,130, and I basically have a confirmation now that yes, I'm very confident that price are heading towards the upside, and Bitcoin can possibly reach these two crucial levels of support, and all eyes are on that. So far everything is looking very, very nice for Bitcoin. So if we do look at Cardano's price, since then, guys, we bounced back up quite a bit. As you guys can see, Cardano was trading at $1.41, and since then we are up 9%, and that's exactly what I said where we would be trading at possibly. We did go down to up to $1.60 back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, but we have pulled down quite significantly. I'm sorry, not quite significantly, just a bit. But so far, so good. The best thing I want to tell you guys right now is that we are above this level of support. This is what I want to see Cardano do, as I have mentioned in my previous videos. I do not like Cardano staying below this crucial level of support at this $1.50. We are right now above it. And what I would like for Cardano to do is slowly creep up back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level and trade sideways and gradually move towards the upside and go towards previous highs. One thing I want to point out, I did point out this in my VeChain video as well, but if you missed out my VeChain video, I will explain this to you guys right now. So one thing I want to point out to you guys is you guys have seen how fast Cardano is recovering. When we did see Bitcoin price just in the last 2 to 3 weeks recover or have a fake out, we did see Cardano along with other altcoins, I'm sorry, recover very, very fast. And this time around, it is taking Cardano a little bit harder time to see these kind of moves towards the upside. I'm sorry, like I don't know what's going on with my throat, but you guys can see Cardano is not moving as fast as it does usually around this time, and that is mainly due to the fact that BTC dominance is going up like crazy. And we have mentioned this. This is why altcoins are lagging behind Bitcoin. Usually when we did see Bitcoin price go towards the upside, BTC dominance was around 40% or even lower, and that's the reason as to why we did see altcoins outpace Bitcoin when we did see markets move towards the upside. But that's not the case right now. We are seeing BTC dominance go towards the upside, and this is why we are not seeing Cardano along with other altcoins move up towards the upside very, very fast. We saw this move towards the upside in the 38.2. We went all the way up to $1.89, guys. And this was only when we hit $38,000. We have crossed a very crucial level of support that I have mentioned. A crucial level for Bitcoin at the 40K level, but still we're hovering around this range. So this mainly comes down to BTC dominance. So let's please keep that in mind and pay close attention to BTC dominance. If it continues to go up, we could have a harder time getting towards the upside. But again, guys, we have to keep in mind this is crypto cycles. Sometimes we do see BTC dominance go up very, very fast, and that does make the altcoins trade sideways for a bit. But at the end of the day, alt season does come in effect. If we do see a Bitcoin rally do occur, we might see sideways momentum for Cardano occur along with majority of the altcoins. But when this run is over, if this is going to be a run, we will see in the next 24 hours to 48 hours or even possibly a week. If this is a run for Bitcoin, we could see consolidation phase for altcoins and altcoins not outpacing Bitcoin. And that can definitely happen because the BTC dominance will only climb up towards the upside. Obviously, Elon Musk came out once again, had some sort of positive news regarding Bitcoin. He said we will still be using Bitcoin if the mining does get reduced by 50%, along with South American countries that are starting to talk about Bitcoin and implementing it within their countries. That is also creating a lot of excitement. So money is, rather than flowing into altcoins right now, is flowing into Bitcoin. So that is why we are not seeing altcoins go up that fast. So I've been getting this question a lot, so that's why I'm answering this for you guys. But I still believe if we do still go for Bitcoin, as you guys may know, first off, I want to point to you that as you guys can see, we went all the way up to $41,000. But you guys can see we are sitting at $40,000. And this goes to show how important this level is for Bitcoin that I have been mentioning, that we need to cross above before I start to get, bullish again. And you guys can see we are literally sitting right at 40K. I do not want us to go break below 40K. I want us to close above 40K. If we're able to do that, things will start looking very, very nice. And still, all eyes are on these price targets. $43,300 level or this $46,600 level. And we need to stay above these levels for me to be like 99% convinced that yes, the bottom is in and we are headed towards the upside. But right now, everything is looking good. We are on the bullish momentum rather than bearish. But this does not mean we cannot see price going towards the downside. Let's say Elon Musk or some big person around the world comes and makes another tweet or talks about Bitcoin in a negative way, we could definitely see markets go towards the downside. So we have no control over that. So let's please keep that in mind when we are looking at the charts. But if we do see Bitcoin go up to this $46,600 mark, I would not be surprised. This would mean a 15% move from its current levels right now. So we could possibly come with a price prediction for Cardano. That would basically mean we could possibly go back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, guys. We could be trading within $1.70. So far, this $1.50 price point did come out to be true that I mentioned in my previous video. You guys can go watch that. So if Bitcoin does hit $46,600 level, we do have a possibility to get back into this at 38.2, but I would not be surprised if we do get in this 0.50 very, very fast and trade between $1.70 to $1.80. We will see what happens, and I will keep you guys updated. But so far, the overall market momentum is building up once again, and things are starting to look good once again. A bearish scenario, obviously, you guys know we always have to cover the bearish scenario. Let's say we do hear some sort of negative news come out, like some FUD that does take the Bitcoin price down towards the downside. Obviously, if it's quite significant a drop, we will not be able to hold around this level. Then we could possibly see us break below 68.2 back down to this range, which obviously no one wants to see, but we have to be prepared for that because this is cryptocurrencies. Anything is possible, and because these markets do tend to be very, very manipulated. But you guys know my stance on Cardano long term, guys. You cannot put a dollar amount on Cardano long term. Like literally, the sky's the limit for this project. Considering how fast it's growing, how fast the ecosystem is growing, and it just makes me extremely, extremely bullish. I can go on and on, especially my regular viewers. You guys know how much of a believer I am. I have been covering this project for quite a while now, literally when it was near its bottom, because I do believe in the vision. I like the direction it's heading in, and the future is very, very bright. This is why we are seeing so much interest coming in Cardano. 1 million plus wallets, 500,000 plus Reddit users, and we're listed on all the major exchanges, and along with 74% of the circulation supply being staked right now. Obviously, if we have this high of a percentage of total coins being staked, this does mean investor confidence in the project is very, very high, and they do believe the long-term potential of it. And you guys can ask any Cardano holder. They're in it for the long haul. They do see the vision, and they see where Cardano will be in the next 3 to 5 years. Obviously, this bull cycle, we might see a top, and again, we do not know where the top could be. We might see a top, but long-term potential, guys, is literally, absolute, like sky's the limit for Cardano. And I always say that, and I will continue saying that because I'm a huge, huge believer in Charles Hoskinson and Cardano project itself. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And again, this is just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell. And thank you so much for all my supporters, especially my day one supporters that show me so much support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And always remember, these videos I bring out for you guys, it's all for you guys. You guys know who you are, and always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. And keep supporting me, and this is just the beginning for our channel, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel and my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And stay safe out there, because remember, safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. With that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.